It crashed. Oh no. Oh no. Hello. Hello. I am back. We didn't see anything. I don't. Yeah, echo for a bit. Don't worry. It was just me testing my mic. You're also back. Let's go. Let's go. Al is back. Al is back. She did the things. I don't know what happened. My PC crashed. It just decided to like it did the I don't know how to say it. Like the music was playing in a like a second, half a second loop or something, and it was bad. It was bad. Skipping? It wasn't skipping, it was just like I could not move anything and the music was just repeating a very short section. I suddenly had a dial-up, kind of. So yeah. I don't know. Did I lose what I was doing? What was I doing? That's the problem. Like, I lost my thoughts now. They are gone. I don't remember what I wanted to do. Thank you for the follow, Yazin Ilepika. Thank you. I don't know what happened. Crash stealing my thought. Yeah, that is rude. But I don't know what happened. Maybe I should check my kernel logs. Maybe I should do it. Wait, how do I check last boot kernel logs Linux? This -1 exactly. I will figure it out. Maybe I will look at it off stream just in case. Not off stream, on my second monitor. So is it the kernel logs? Is it a kernel problem? XDG desktop portal GTK service crashed. I don't know. Something about cannot do display thingy. I don't know. I can ask ChatGPT about my issue. Of course. I should ask ChatGPT about my issue because ChatGPT knows everything, as everybody knows. Of course. And they would never get confused about kernel logs. Never. Guess what language you get to use? COBOL. No, I don't know. Golang? Question mark? Maybe? Let's go. Go is a good language. ChatGPT will suggest that eating glue will cure my kernel bug issue. ChatGPT will probably just say some nonsense and says like very vague things about like checking how, like updating or like whatever, I don't know. Why am I acting so sarcastic? I'm sorry. I'm just like I'm sorry, but ChatGPT never helped with this kind of thing. So I am very skeptical. But I'm sorry, it wasn't meant to be mean. Magical Markov chains? Yeah. But like also it's like just saying you could ask ChatGPT is kind of like you could look up on Google if the problem exists, and like I know I am aware. Thank you. I know the things. The magic being that they can convince people that the Markov chain is intelligent. Yeah. I mean, it can do some things. But like, it's not gonna know my system better than me. That's yeah. And like, if there's a crash, it means that something unexpected happened, and if it's not in the logs, and clearly here it just crashed because cannot open display, but the display was open for a while, so like there's something weird going on, and I doubt very much that ChatGPT would fix something. You do this sometime when you're stuck on your indie game. That is good. That's Pog. It's very good at wording the words. Exactly. But like, clearly I should allow ChatGPT to access my kernel system and logs. Exactly. That is factual. That needs to be done. But like it wasn't intended to be mean. Yasin, you should vibe code. I kind of wonder how it would go. Like, can LLMs write like more than very basic examples in Z80 assembly? Is it possible? Recreate bunny vibe coding, exactly. Because like most people who use LLMs are doing like JavaScript or other kind of languages that are like Python or something, like other kind of language that are very, very common. Is it could it do something with the such a niche technology? Yeah, it's very poor getting LLM to do anything with this VM. I mean, Z80 is something that is like, it's niche, but it's not that niche. I would guess that on GitHub there's a few things. Like, you could probably find a few things in Z80 on GitHub. And like the last time I tried to use LLMs, it was a while ago. And I'm pretty sure the last time it would not have been able to, because it wasn't able to write, like it wasn't able to write Zig, for example. Even though there was already at the time much more Zig on the internet than Z80. but it would get confused with JavaScript and do some weird things, and I don't know. Yeah. A Limbo predecessor to Go compared to this. I see. But yeah. Inferno. I am not aware of everything that is Inferno and this and such. I do not know. I do not infer, nor do I know. Was that funny? A little bit. You have to admit it was like a tiny bit funny. No, it wasn't. Okay, I'm sorry. Knows much Obscura. Obscura. What is Obscura? So dialogue. Dialogue. Astatin making pun in all 3 languages she knows. Do I make pun in Japanese? I think it's pretty. I don't know. It's pretty hard. It's pretty hard to do the things. A very smart girl. I would disagree. I am the dumb. That is in my job title. My job title is dumb. Yes, of course. Chief Dumb Officer. Yes. You remember when Bad Cop asked ChatGPT to write in GNU reverse Polish calculator for me? It was so confident that it commented something like set A equal 1 sict as a loop to copy a string. What? Set A equal 1 as a loop to copy a string. I am not sure what it means. Or like maybe it means that it said loop, like it did something like this. Loop to copy the string. Set A equal 1. Is it this? And this was what it did? That's dumb. It wasn't even syntactically correct, let alone code which did anything. Yeah. Variable assignment is the best way to loop and copy a string. Exactly. That makes sense. It does make sense. I don't know. Yeah, like the thing is, the last time I tried LLMs, it was like I got bored with LLMs like a while ago already. Like basically when all of like the people I work with became so hyped that they would answer. You got bored. You were never interested. I was very interested in LLMs even before GPT-3. Like when I saw the like GPT-2 things with the unicorns article, I was like, that is impressive. I think it was attention is all you need, maybe ? But like. Claudius, you were interested when you were 12 and you were like, I'm gonna make a Jarvis. that is fair. But like, they endlessly fall flat on anything that isn't super common public knowledge. I think LLMs are impressive, but I think LLMs are impressive for if you look at like where we were 10 years ago. It is like that is pretty impressive to have something that can actually speak a language. Like 10 years ago, it was like natural language processing was very bad, and it could not understand like basic stuff, basic sentences, and like GPT-2 kind of like it is impressive. I would say it is pretty impressive, but like what I really dislike, also because I don't know, no, it's not true, no. But like, hello Luna, hello, how you doing? But like, the problem is that people saw something that could like form somewhat coherent sentences and were like, oh, it's an AI, so it must be super intelligent. But it's like, it's pretty crazy that realistically LLMs could be the Turing test. Exactly. Like if you look at 10 years ago, it seems so far away to have anything like this. And like in my opinion, it's impressive, but the hype is dumb. like I don't know. Like, isn't it super impressive that Yuke can have long Yuke talk? Like, I don't know. If you look at it this way, like as just a thing that can complete sentences and be funny and maybe like, I don't know, yeah. Sadly, speech isn't a sign of intelligence, so your colleague as other proof of that. Exactly. That is a good proof, I think. We always assume it would be impossible to make a LM feel or at least pretend to. Turns out the internet has enough data to enable faking it. Yep. The internet has a bunch of data, and now we can make things that talk. And I think that is impressive. But I think that is not a reason, like the fact that it can talk, like I'm gonna quote Star Wars, the fact that you can talk doesn't mean that you're intelligent. That is, this knowledge was revealed to us in like 2001. By Obi-Wan Kenobi. So like I think people did not learn enough from Star Wars. That is that is yes. Oh, I'm at, wow, 601 followers. Wow, pug. We always thought that being able to talk was intelligence. Exactly. But like if you ask people like 50 years ago, they would say that intelligence is being able to play chess. And then we made machines that were able to play chess, and we're like, clearly it's not intelligent because you cannot do anything other than chess. Like and then we made like machine that could talk, and like a bunch of people are like, this is intelligence, but clearly it's not intelligent because it doesn't do anything that we would consider intelligent. So I don't know, and it bullshits a lot. It does a lot of bullshitting on y'all. DMA transfer routine. So this current mode, updates. This doesn't need to be there. Dialog animation, yes. LYC, okay. Pad button check, yes. Load additional block. When is load additional block needed? When do I use load additional block? Wait, dialog menu? Oh no, that is additional loading objects. So it's not needed here. Mem current mode. Mem dungeon mode. So this is done. Loading mode regular. Doesn't need to be here. Animation wait mode. Also doesn't need to be here, I think. Update animation step. Blinking animation counter. So this should be separate. Loading flag. Update mode. Wait, do I use update animation step outside of dungeon mode? I would guess no. I'm gonna not use it here. Get blink out of update animation step 2. Update blinking steps. Blinking counter. Call update blinking counter and also update here. Call update blinking counter. So no animation step. Open dialog and dungeon menu mode, yes. Open menu button. Open menu button. Dungeon mode, okay. Move dialog cursor. I could remove this one, by the way. Move dialog cursor, sure. Check dialog action, sure. And then OAM buffer low. Display animation lists. Display animation list. This one is fine. Yeah. Displaying entity is reasonable. I got stream start but missed in between. Did you decide? Did I decide between putting bunny and jump table or trampoline? I think I'm gonna do the other faster technique, that is going to be to put a jump instruction in RAM that I can update the thingy, the destination, when I update the mode. I think it's reasonable, probably. Probably. So this is dialog vblank interrupts. There is also the loading, which will be important. Main. Wait, I changed something in GUI because the mode will also be used. I think the dungeon mode, I will also use it at least at first for dead mode. And yeah. GUI, no GUI, mode, dungeon. So loading vblank interrupts will have memflow count no. DMA transfer routine sure. Loading mode vblank. I think it's an editable jump instruction you jump to. This is a trampoline. Exactly. Bunnies like to jump. That makes sense. How different is ZAT assembly from 6502 assembly? Honestly, I don't know. Because I didn't, like, I never made an NES or other 6502 assembly things. I would assume it's pretty similar, but like, I don't know. Like, it's both 8 bits with a 16 address, address thingies. And yeah, I would assume it's similar. We can look at it. 6502 assembly instructions. AI overview. Wow. Can I disable this? It lied to me a few times already. Can I? More options? Is it more option? Can I not disable it? Can I? Can I? Do I have a? Oh, I have stylus. I can do this. Hehehe. Hehehe. Oh no, they use random class thingies. I think it's gonna be. Oh my god. Okay. Try this. Catboy.house. Wow. Sure. Let's go. Can I set it? Like, is it a good one? Search xng. Free internet meta search engine. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's go. We're gonna set this one. Can I set it easily as a... Like, do I need to... like this. Do I need to set it? No, it's still on Google. How do I? Yes, default search engine. Pog. I've given that link to Lane 3 times so far. Oh, Lane is cute. That is true. Catboy. Can we get Cat Astatin? Cat Astatin? Maybe. That could be done. Like some Astatin furs. Oh my god. Later. It's a meta search engine. It uses Bing, Google, and a bunch of things on the back end. Oh, they brought back Metacrawler. Oh, is it kind of like Metacrawler? Nullrequest.com. I know this thing. Nullrequest.com. I know this website. Look at this. It does have an interesting page. Lane is cute. Oh my god, and she's also cool. That's crazy. Let's go Pog. So what was I searching before? 6502 assembly instructions. So load accumulator, load X register, store accumulator, store X register. So there's just 3 registers? What? Transfer stack pointer to X, transfer X to stack pointer. Oh, so it's pretty different. It is pretty different. Oh. Is that all? Like, are they just 3 register? What the program counter, stack pointer, accumulator, index X register, index Y register, and then the flags. It doesn't seem like a lot of instruction. Indeed. Like, I'm already struggling with the like, how many register? B, C, D, E, A, and HL. So it's like 7 registers, or like 3 16 bits plus 1 8-bit, and I'm already struggling with this. 6502. That does seem difficult. I mean, you probably use a lot more of the stack, I would guess. Like, I'm kind of trying to not use the stack because it uses more cycles, stack or memory or anything. Sometimes I still do, but yeah, I don't know. Loading entry point. So current mode is not dungeon. You don't do any 6502, but you didn't NES art and theme with a guy who does. Just curious how different it is. I guess like I have a lot more instruction on this one, more registers. So it's I would imagine that it feels more modern to Z80 than 6502 probably. I don't know, but like the logic is always going to be similar. I mean, the logic is always going to be similar on any kind of procedural language. Like even if I did like BASIC, it would be pretty similar. Like SM, for the people who are scared of Z80 assembly, if you did BASIC on your scientific calculator in middle school, then it's basically the same thing. Like not exactly, but it's pretty similar. It's not that far off. Hello, Myriad. Hello. Like you have the pointer, whereas in BASIC you don't really have to use pointers. But that's pretty much all. Like if you did BASIC and you have a good understanding of C, then you can do assembly. Let's go. Let's go. Dialogue arrow animation, no. Dialogue buffer, no. Dialogue cursor, no. LYC, sure. Button check. I mean, I don't even need button check, but just to be sure I will. Load additional block, very useful. Current mode. This is not useful. Loading mode regular, animation await mode. Well, animation await could be included into loading. It's kind of the same kind of thing. I don't know. How is me? I'm good. I'm doing good. Update blink encounter, yes. Animation sent, no. Open dialogue and dungeon menu mode. Not useful. Check open menu button, not useful. Move dialogue cursor. Nope, nope. So this is loading. And in dungeon, we will remove loading mode here. The dialogue things. Dialogue cursor, dialogue action, open menu stays. Open dialogue and dungeon menu mode we can remove. And that will be all. Hello from the flops, hello, hello. I think, yes, that is a decent one. So now in main, I guess a vblank entry point will just be, wait, thinkage. In definitions, where is it? Where can I use it? define mem v blank jump instruction is at 041. What the? 041 takes from C041 to C043 and v blank jump destination is 042 and is here. How much space is on a Game Boy ROM anyway? Like from if you don't have like you have the option to have banked things. Without it, it's 16, I think, or 32. Wait, I need to check. Maybe 32. Yeah, it's 32. But the second part of the ROM can be banked, which means that it can be like you can set a value somewhere in memory, and the cartridge will react by switching what is inside of the ROM, and it can extend it up to several megabytes. Wait, it's written somewhere. MBCs. Can I not have... Where's the list of the MBCs, please? Can I not have the ROM size of bankroom? Yes, you can have up to 8 megabytes with this. Which is a lot. It's really a lot. Like the one my current ROM size is less than the first 16. That's a ton indeed. That is really big, giant. It's too small to have precise one. Mine is around 14-15 kilobytes, which is already kind of big. But I have a lot of space. Your NES game is like 512 and it feels like an ocean. It does. It's like truly. Like when you work with retro gaming stuff, and you hear about like modern game being 50 gigabytes, you're like, what the? And some of them are way more than this. But yeah, like I was on Mezu's stream at one point, and she was talking about how her game is pretty small because it's only 3 gigabytes. And I'm like, what the? That's crazy. But like it makes sense because of all the 3D models and the super high quality textures and things. Like I get it, but it does seems crazy. And also, of course, if you're making like, if you're having like big images and videos and things, it would make sense. But I am defining the specific places of my bytes in RAM. 50 gigabytes is like 100 anime episodes. That's true. That's wild. That's wild. 400 at mid 2000 size. Yeah. Which is like, it's kind of 100 anime episode is like $33 hours. So it's kind of, it's more, it's probably for very big games, it's probably more efficient on the on the hours spent versus space on the computer thing, because like I don't know, like how I was talking about Persona 5 file size, like game size. Like I think it was 39 gigabytes. You can start playing at only up to a certain point right before dungeon. Okay. 39 gigabytes for a Persona 5. Oh, here it's saying 41. Yeah, around 40. Okay. But you spend like for my playthrough, I think I spent like 100 hours. So it's kind of okay if you think about it. You think you spent 33 hours on a game that came on a few floppy disks? That is fair. I mean, Pokemon Platinum, I don't know. ROM size. Uh, 128 megabytes, and I spent probably like definitely more than 1,000 hours. Probably 1,500 or like 2,000 maybe. Like I was like most of my time I remember playing it, I was already above the 999 limits. So like it's pretty efficient. I did use these megabytes efficiently. You probably spent 200 hours on Railroad Tycoon as a kid, and you think it was one floppy? Oh, so like one floppy is how much? So like I used 100 kilobytes per hour minimum. Maximum, I mean. 800 kilobytes on Amiga? Oh, I see. And Emerald is like 6 megabytes or something? Yeah. It's pretty efficient. These games are like, if you look at the play hours versus file size ratio, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. efficiently entertained. Let's go. What was I doing? I don't remember. Who knows? Who knows what I was doing? I don't know. LT current mode A. No. Mem current mode A. So like it's changed in a few places. Oh, and there's one that is taking the requested mode. Oh, this one is a problem. Is it truly? Do I need to do an array of like when I'm changing the current mode, I'm just executing a function that is updating the jump thingy. Alright, going to sleep, have a good stream. Thank you for coming and have a good sleep. Have the nice sleepies. Let's go. Even with modern games, Noita is like 1.6 gigabytes and you spent over 300 hours on it. That's only 5 megabytes per hour, which is pretty good. You could get over an hour of Noita on a Game Boy. That's true. That is true. Yep. 500. Like, if you think, I don't know, it's really funny to think about the like entertainment transfer rate to your brain. You are transferring 5 megabytes of entertainment to your brain per hour. Whereas if you're playing Pokemon, your Pokemon Platinum, you're transferring like 100 kilobytes, and if you're playing Persona 5, it's is it this? Yes, it's 410 megabytes per hour to transfer to the brain. Yes. Actually, you're transferring megabytes out of your brain the more you play it. If you think about it, because the megabyte stays the same and the hours go. Oh, that's true. Makes sense. It makes sense. So is it approaching a limit? Oh, we could say that, like, technically, like, depending on the amount of code that you use on a playthrough, you are transferring a certain amount of unknown megabytes from the unknown megabytes of code from the game to your brain. And like when you finish a game and you go to a part you already knew, you are not transferring anything anymore because you know everything about the thing that you expected to be in the game. Gaming is now fuzzing. Exactly. It's a pretty fun way of looking at it. I don't know. Yes, my definition of fun. The Astatin definition of fun. Fuzzing a game with your brain by playing it. Yes, of course. Fuzzing. Oh, fuzzing is very appropriate for bun game. That is true. True. Wow. So wait. Modes. V blank. Function. V blank. Handler lists .gbism, and it would be v blank handler list equal. Oh, I want to do something. Well, can I do this? Is it even possible? Is it possible? How much would it... I guess it's 500... Like if I do this, I'm gonna use half a kilobyte for pretty much nothing. So like maybe... And a few of them are gonna reuse the same vblank function. So how can I think about it? Maybe I could say something like there is 8 different vblank function. Well, it's not going to be 8. I could say something where there is 16 different vblank function because I'm already using I'm going to be using 4, and I still did not do like the non-dungeon thing, so like I don't know. So like 16 is probably fine. And so like it could be the lowest nibble, maybe. Like den mode would be 1-0. Bit 0 to 3, which vblank handler group. So like dead mode is using dungeon mode, so it has the same lowest nibble, and the dungeon menu mode is using the same as dialogue mode. Loading mode is using its own thing, and animation wait mode is using the same as loading mode. Something like this. And so the vblank handler list would just be 32 bytes. What would be convenient is like I would like to be able to have, well, does it matter? No, it probably doesn't matter for now. Dungeon dead is going to be equal db equals mode dungeon v blank entry point. Then 0, 1, more like this, is dialog menu dungeon dialog / menu db dialog like this, and then loading animation mode loading v blank entry point. Set if map object and GUI update are frozen. Does it even matter anymore? Because like map object and GUI update are frozen for everything that is not dungeon in dev mode, so like yeah, it doesn't matter anymore. So this is 0, 1, this is 1, 1, this is 0, 2, this is 1, 2. Hello, UmiPie, hello. How you doing? So vblank handler list and setup vblank or like update vblank handler. You're doing good. Just had your morning coffee, so now you're ready to dev. Let's go, pog. So update vblank handler will get LDA mem current mode. It will end with OF, shift left, put vblank handler list into HL. I guess it should push HL then. Should it push a? Probably no. It's probably fine. So vblank handler list into HL. Add L. LD A0, add C, add L, LD A, L, A, add CH. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Add CH and back to H. And AHL plus and put it into mem v blank thingy instruction. Mem v blank jump destination HL plus, not HL, just HL, and then destination +1. You're doing good. You just had your morning coffee, so now you're ready to dev. Let's go. Let's go. Hog. And so it should be working, probably. Jump destination, I will need to... Well, do we have it somewhere? Bookmark? I don't have it. I will need to know what is JP. JP immediate is this. Oh no, it's JP HL, I'm done. So 11000011 C3. Indeed. Indeed. So in init, I should set the v blank jump instruction. What the? That's fine. C3 mem v blank unconditional M16 jump. Wait, jump HL? Jump HL? Did I have it all this time? Did I do my hacky call DE thingy for nothing? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, how hypnotic. Heyo, heyo. How is the stream? Indeed, very mustache. Lots of mustache. It was good stream. Let's go. What did you do? Did you do a game? Were you doing a game? Other game development? I should shout you out. And I forgot to shout out Oz before. Wait. Hypnotic games. Got some more logic smoothed out. Then after a few smoothing out, we ended up with Pacific Drive. Is it a game? Pacific Drive? I am first-person driving survival game. driving roguelike. Oh, I see. It does look cool. What the? Wow. Wow. Bug. Pacific Drive. Very cool. Very cool. It does. It is very pretty indeed. What the? So, things. Unconditional jump. And JP. I just learned that I was doing a hack for nothing because I seem to have an instruction for what I wanted to do for a while. Maybe it's fine. I can just ignore it and no problem. But like maybe not. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine. Unconditional immediate 60 jump, and then here instead of jumping to v blank entry points, it should jump to mem v blank jump instruction. You return after getting bank stuff for visa. Okay. Have a good I don't know. Yeah, good luck. Mode this and so now current mode A, all of these places we should also call update vblank handler. So current mode A, update vblank handler. I guess we can put it here. It's fine. Current mode A. Okay, let's do these ones. Current mode A. Okay. So I did the attack, player attack. Now enemy attack. Oh no! Call. Oh! Another raid! Hello. Hello, Rico Clown. I do not think I know you. So hello. Do you want to? What were you doing? Do you want to show? Do you want to show the things? So we can know. Hello, thank you for the raid. It's fine if you don't. By the way, if I'm unintentionally putting pressure on people, it's not. It's unintentional. But I'm curious. I do have the curiosity. Update animation, yes. Not blinking. Update v-blank handler. We're making level art for a GB Studio game. Oh, do you want to show some? You'll take a screenshot real quick? Yeah, let's go. Much raids? That's true. True. Raidful stream. What the? Current mode. Wait. Current mode. Here. Current mode. Animation. Current mode. Current mode. Call. Oh, we did everything. Let's go. Okay. So that should be good. That should be Pog. Does it already work? Isn't like, well, it's not gonna work because I'm not importing the things. But like if I do here, modes, dialog menu, dungeon and loading. So here we include all the modes, include modes, dialog menu, okay, it's fine. Exactly, include dungeon and include loading, but it's not relative path don't work. It needs to be from the root. So modes. Meh, why am I in Japanese now? What the? Let's go. Gonna look at the things. Oh, pretty cool. It's a platformer. Wow. Oh, wow. It does look pretty good. It does look good. Are you doing the code too? Or is it like a... It's a cave themes level for puzzle platformer we're calling Pyro Toad. Oh. Oh, pretty cool. That's Pog. That's Pog. GB Studio seems really good. It does seems to do the things. A bunch of people are doing cool stuff with GB Studio. You're working with the designer on this one? You do some coding on your solo stuff, but this is a two-man team? Oh, I see. You want to learn ASM though? I mean, do you need to with GB Studio? I mean, ASM is interesting. ASM is interesting and you should learn. But like, is it for the game? Show this main. Did I remove things? I don't remember, but I should include modes. Well, modes, v-blank handler list. I think the engine is in C. Oh. GB Studio uses GBTK. Is it not C? What the? What is GBTK? I'm learning things. Astatin is very lazy. She wrote the assembler. She's using the boot ROM and the emulator. No one is lazier than Astatin. Indeed. Look at this. Look at this chat. I did like Okay. It's not working. Wait. LD does not have a parameter that can parse. Yes, that is factual. Look at this when I will have finished the things then. Which is, I don't know. Errors while opening file entity action. Oh, I renamed this one. Action interaction. Actions. I mean, I should not have renamed this one. This is dumb. This is way too long. What the? Actions, interaction. Gameboy toolkit. Oh, I see. Look at this. It's my boot ROM now. I have the power to do it. Apparently the game doesn't work anymore, but at least I have my boot ROM. Look at this. Wow, crazy hold cycle. Look at how many hold cycles we have. That means that now we can do. I did a big optimization. I removed the game. That is optimizing the things. Oh no. Don't remove the game. Okay. Gameboy. What is it doing? It's still on hold. Oh, it's on enable interrupt. If it's on enable interrupt, it means v blank exactly. JP this, which is JP this. Display dialog cursor. That's not good. Am I making a game? If so, what genre? Yes, I am making a dungeon crawler roguelike kind of game. Kind of similar to Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. When it's fixed, you will be able to see. But what is happening? Is it paused? Like, skip disable cursor? How did it got here? 0D10? I think it might be a problem of oh no. Yes, it's here. I think it might be a problem of, I don't know what it is. The update vblank is doing some weird stuff. Probably, maybe, question mark? Updates. Rune generation. Things. Display cursor. Load. Update vblank handler. Exactly this. This we put breakpoints. So 0E78 add. reset. Oh no, it reset the breakpoint too. Oh, it did not reset the breakpoint. So, here we have it push HL. Taking C. So this is the dungeon one, and OF, so still 0, still 0. LD this. Add AL. So it should just stay the same again. And then it's trying to put 1 0 0D. Oh, is it inverted? Is it something with big Indian and little Indian? Could it be? Does it magically work if I do this instead? You play this Game Boy port of the game called Portrait, a dungeon. Oh, it does magically work. Let's go. Let's go. As you can see, it's perfectly working, and I am definitely not trying to do things and it doesn't work. Of course, of course. Cute art, thank you. You play the Game Boy port of this game called Pork-like, a dungeon crawler roguelike, and you were blown away. Pork-like. No, not pork-like. Pork-like. Game Boy. This? Oh. It does seem like pretty well animated. Pretty pog. But yeah, it's a different art style. Pretty different art style. But like, it's really impressive, like the animation and things. It's pretty cool. I cannot do this. GG to the person that did this. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah. But I don't know, the gamepad is broken now for some reason. Well, make gear boy. What? Oh, it's again the same problem, is it? Oh no, it's not. The blank entry points. Yeah, this one. Okay. So now we want to look at the memory to see if continue. Yeah. Do the continuing. And basically nothing is running, right? It does look like it. Oh no. Oh no. What is the current mode? Where is definitions, current mode. Cool stream, interesting work. Thank you. But my game has cats, so that's important. True, important. Very important cats. 4, so I'm in dungeon mode. Oh no, it's this is wrong. Oh, so something is running. I don't know what this is, but something is running, definitely. And also... to OE99. So V blank entry point. Oh, we're still in dialogue V blank entry point. So it didn't work. Oh no. Why are we still in dialogue? Update the blank entry. We're gonna do the same thing. This adding a breakpoint, resets. Do the things. Oh, it's just never executed? That's weird. Or the the breakpoint is never set. Oh no. Okay, so here we have one first breakpoint, which is going to 10 OD. So dungeon v blank entry point. Continue. And it did not. I'm confused. Hello Israel. Hello, hello. Like, what? Is it not like dialogue? Exit menu? Oh, because it's changing the requested mode. And 1-1. Oh yeah. I don't know what I was looking at before. I was probably looking at wrong. I see. So it's a problem of the current mode not being updated. Which does make sense. Because I think it was an update animation step. Should it be there? Maybe not. mode. I mean, what if I just set the update animation sub everywhere? It's fine. Don't worry. It's not messy at all. I mean, it was executed everywhere before, so like, it's okay. Let's go. And now it works perfectly. Even if I hop. As you can see, it is completely perfect and there is absolutely no weird display issue. Nope. Nope. What do you mean? Display issues? No, never. That would never happen. Of course it would never happen. Why? I mean, I know it's because of the hop. What the? Like, despite the display issues, yeah. I mean, I have a function that is supposed to fix. I could just say that I'm recalibrating it after the hops, maybe, perhaps. But like, is it going to? I don't know. Bunny. Is it in Bunny? No, it's not in Bunny. It's an entity in it. Is it going to work? Fix Bunny screen. Entity. No. Player attack hop. Current mode. Call. Fix Bunny screen. Is it going to work? Nope. No, it's not the problem. It's not the problem. What the? I need a pause, I think. I need to cool down my brain a little bit. And I will be back knowing exactly what is the problem and how to fix it, and it's gonna be so great. It's gonna be so good. What the? You're gonna be impressed, chat. You're gonna be impressed. Okay, I'm taking a pause. I will be back very soon. So really impressive. It's like most of my streams are like this. I do things and I break things that I already did, and then I fix the things, and then and then progress has been made. Of course. Yep. I will be back. Hello. Hello. I am back. I am not front. I am back. Hello. We had a bug, and I did not think about the bug during this time of pause, so I still don't know what happened. So dungeon. Well, I guess it's in loading. In loading mode, there is an issue. What could be the issue? We don't know. We do not know. Hey you, Stray Splatter. Hey yo. How you doing? How is you? So like, it was already not doing the things. Or was it because... Was it something about loading mode being executed? Loading mode regular? Loading mode being executed before update animation stop. Well, it's kind of the case already. Mode. No, player attack. Player attack, yes. Attack. Smart? No, not smart. I'm sure you'll figure it out, Astatin, because you got super smart sticker. No, this is the dumb sticker. Look at this. Can you not read? Can you not read? Hello. Loading mode, requested mode. Distinguished universal genius? False. So many fake news here. So many fake news. Current mode? Like... Loading mode, regular, G blank. Like first this has nothing to do here, but also I think loading flag. Bunny flag. Right. Could it be something like this? Mem current mode compare with mem loading mode. No. Return if not 0. Like if I do this, does it fix it? Loading mode is undefined. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, it's Enum. Makes sense. Well-known YouTube celebrity and certified Japanese speaker. Fake news again. So many. It still doesn't work? Why? Thank you for the follow, nice Sophie Rack. Thank you, thank you. If I am mispronouncing names, please bonk me. You can take a pipe and hit me and be like, oopsie, accident. And that's fine. That is fine. Accident. Oh, wait. I'm not sure. Loading step 0. Mem loading step. Like me. Mode. I'm going full autistic mode now. What if I do this and this is oh no, I'm dumb. This is moved at the beginning of this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crazy. Loading step increase A. Like, it's not gonna be returning this, but it's gonna be load the things. Load tiles, preload tiles maybe. JR and the preload tiles, and like this, so it would make more sense. It's fixed! Wow. Is it? It does look like it's fixed. Let's go. Let's go. And does it actually work? Like I should maybe check in Gameboy that is it is working fully as I intended to and actually loading the tiles, probably. It does seem to work. Let's go. Wait. seems to be okay. Yep. Hop, 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 hop. Bunch of hops. Hop. Let's go. Done. Drastically uplift mood. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, it makes me happy if I'm uplifting your mood. I don't know if it's true, but like if it's true, it is pretty cool. Let's go. Fuck. The things I am thinking. So like it's working now. I can change the mode pretty easily and it changes basically everything. So what I could do now is have the dungeon generation also be a mode. Makes sense, right? It does make sense. Wow. Crazy. Also be a mode, so drifts upon motorcycle, let's go. Astatin Dorifto. Yes, of course. Definitely real. Definitely real. I think nothing could be closer to the truth, of course. Okay, maybe not. Okay, that's what you wanted to hear? Yes, I cannot drive. That is said. Unable to drive Astatin. I mean, it should be the same for stat entry points. Question mark? Maybe? Mayhaps? Perby? You may not be able to drive, but you can be driven over? Is it... like, do you mean I can... like a car can drive over me? That's yes? I mean that is factual. Kind of dark, but factual. Yes. I mean I'm sometimes a bunny, so it can make sense. Driving. Al is planning my death, apparently. Yes. Am I scared when she's gonna come to the EU now? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I cannot escape. So like, I want to do some... like, I want to have something similar for the stat entry point. Because dungeon generation will have something that can be done during vblank and some that cannot. Done, define, understated, mystique. Factual. Wait. Yeah, I think it would be reasonable to have the same kind of stuff for stat entry point if it works, because stat entry point is like the thing that works during the line is a lot shorter, so like maybe it uses too much cycles if I do this. It's not impossible. But it would be cool. It would be pretty cool. Bum bum. Bum 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 bum. V-blank violent bunny licking attack near kimchi. And this is why you need to keep kimchi away from Astatin. Exactly. You need to keep kimchi away from Astatin because she will mix it with cheese and rice. Of course. Cheese, rice, kimchi. That doesn't sound good, but it is. It is heckin' good. It is addictive. Not V-blank. Stats. Jump destination. Not jump destination. Jump instruction is C44 takes from C44 to C56, and same as before, also in destination. And 45. Kimchi. Lick that kimchi. Wait. Because I touched somewhere on my keyboard, I wanted to check that it wasn't the mic stop thingy. So echo has been done. Of course. Why didn't we think about this before? It makes sense. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. That is such an owl joke to make. Oh my god. Astatin very keisho? What is keisho? I don't think I know this word. Translate. Are we gonna learn a new Japanese word? Keisho? Scriptures? Or is it not Japanese? It looks like a Japanese word. Ah, say so. Not. Is it this one? Apparently it is this one. Japanese. As you can see, neat. Like, I am not sure about the second one, but this one is definitely like clean stuff. This one, I don't remember having studied it, but I'm pretty sure I learned the word say so I don't know. But this one is like it's the kanji in Kiyomizu-dera. That is how I remember it. Yep. Kiyo. yo mizu. Exactly. Which is like the temple of clean water. Say so. The one where you're obsessed with leeches. Oh no. Oh no. Nope. Nope. That's not factual. That's not my fault if your name is Force Unleashed. Unleashed, you've been leashed before, it's not my fault. you did name yourself this way. Dumb and leash is only. When did I get wild? Never fully say so. I am very innocent, yes. Oh my god. Yep, doing your mom unleashes. That makes sense. Everything is related now. Like you and your mom. Okay. Next next subject. Stats instruction. Al is shocked. Yep. Al is very innocent. It makes sense. V-blank jump instruction, stat jump instruction. And same, well, it could just be this. Or like interrupts instruction. Interrupt jump instruction. Dumb, destroying your mom is destroying, upsetting, misunderstanding. Yes. Oh my god. Al has an obsession with moms. Apparently. Apparently, Al is gonna do your mom a favor. Yes. This chat is filthy, reported on your don't generated, but the you am always your mom. Oh no. Deleting your machine code. True. Hi, new to the stream. Out of curiosity, were the Gameboy assembler and emulator project opportunities for you to learn Rust and Go, or did you have experience prior to these projects? I had opportunities for both of these. Actually, like the assembler, at first it was in Python, and like since I had experience, like professional experience with Go, I kind of went with Go when the Python one became unmanageable. Python is Bash++. Python was a good thing at the beginning, I think, but like when for like very basic, Python is superior to JS. I think it depends. I think if you're using both of them well, then Python is superior to JS. But the problem is Python is used, in my opinion, Python is used as a real programming language when it's supposed to be, like, not it's supposed, but it should be. In my opinion, it should be used as Bash++. It should be used as a short script program. JS is superior to Python? I don't know. Did my GBASM prototype phase in Python? Yes, exactly. Like at the beginning, when it was just like translating instruction without the definition here, or like the I don't think I have one. Like I have also like macros and stuff. Like there's a bunch of features now in the assembler, but like at the very beginning when it was like just this kind of instruction and labels, Python was enough. But at some point it became unmanageable, so I remade it in Go. But for the emulator, I also had some experience with Rust before, but a lot less. I did. What did I do in Rust before? I guess I started a game with a friend in Rust, and he was using an ECS, by the way. I am still not clear about like what ECS do, but I did use an ECS at some point. But it was a while ago with something called GGEZ, I think, something like this. So like I made a game, and I already made like small projects in Rust, but I'm pretty sure the Gameboy emulator is by far the biggest thing I did in Rust. Yep. Multiple editors. ECS is a framework. ECS is a way of doing frameworks, I would say. It's not like Bevy is ECS, GGEZ is ECS. There's a bunch of different things that they are using ECS-like things. I don't know. Dove dans une verre. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's invading the French now. This is fascinating project. So glad I stumbled to this channel. Did you need knowledge of lexing and parsing when shifting the assembler to Go? I am not entirely clear on what lexing and parsing is, so I don't know. Like assembly is definitely not as hard to parse as like most programming languages. It's always the same thing. You have the instruction and then the parameters in a list. So you can just like the only thing that is kind of somewhat a little bit more difficult is the macro, and it's still very, very simple. So you can just like parsing is super simple, yeah. Store the data to work on a specific way, such that you can define the work to be done as individual functions. ECS? Oh, yeah, maybe. Were macro are easy to implement in the Go code base? Pretty. Yes, like also the macros are not that complex. I only recently added a macro with parameters, and it's only like it's always the same kind of parameters. So it's like always the same type. It's always 16 bits variable. So I guess we'll see later. And also, like I still did not like, this is hard coded, this kind of parameter macro, not macro with parameter, but like macro that you can apply to parameters. This is hard coded. I still cannot do things like this, plus 50 and or like and whatever. This is like, it's still very limited. I just added the things I really needed. It's way past your bedtime. Have a nice sleep. Thank you for coming. And did you raid before? Yeah. Thank you for raiding. Very close. No problem. No problem. You don't know what to eat? What do you have? What do you have that you could eat? What is in the owl house that is eatable? Thank you for the follow, EBO. Thank you. Make pasta. You could make pasta, maybe. Do you want pasta? I don't remember what I was. Yes, interrupts, jumped instructions, stats. So like this should be set inside of. Wait, what did I change? Is there a change here? I don't know. Maybe not. Enable. Sorry. You don't have pasta, but you have sesame noodles. You might do that. And inhaling too much air. I just I inhaled my saliva. Did you want to know a point of interest? Yes, please. That didn't make much sense, but today at the new work they were like, what they were like, what were they like, what is my OS? My OS is Linux, and I'm making a game with bunnies. Look at the game. Look at the game chat. And also, I made my. Did you see it, Al? Did you see this? Did you see the Astatin? Al programs voluntarily as a point of interest of real skills. I mean, you do have a job now. Let's go, Pog. Pog, everyone claps in the chat. Everyone send the claps. Everyone, do I have claps? Is there a claps emote? I have the Primogen. What the? Apparently I got gifted a sub to Primogen. You get Primogen claps. Let's go. But like I think it makes sense. You say it didn't make much sense, but I think it makes a lot of sense. Not that many programmers are coding. Like we are here on the programming Twitch. I am pretty sure we are extremely biased. Like I'm pretty sure there's not that many programmers that code voluntarily. That code just for fun. Imagine, wow. So I think that makes sense. I think your resume is hacking poggers. You're also thinking about streaming and making temple to the game. You know nothing about game development. It's copyright infringement if I am inspired by old Nintendo games. What do you mean by inspired? Because like, if you're not using any IP, no. You don't have the right to copy their code. You don't have the right to get their art. But outside of that, no, it's not copyright infringement. I think. I am not a legal expert, by the way, but making something similar, I'm pretty sure no. I'm pretty sure it's okay. Yeah, from what I know, I am not a legal expert, and I could be wrong, but I am pretty sure that it's completely fine if you're not reusing art or like not even art, but like for example if you're remaking a game and there's Pikachu inside, and even if you made it with your art, it's still Nintendo's IP. Like this is not allowed, but you completely have the right to do a game where you you have to catch animals and make them fight to get to be the best animal fighter person. that is allowed. You don't want to sell them or anything, just to earn, then you should even less be worried, I think. Software patent might bite you hard, but that's super unlikely. At which point, just change enough. And also, like, this is the kind of problem that you have only if you already, like, if your game is already very successful. You're not gonna have Nintendo sue you for a patent violation because in your game that 10 people played, you have something that looks too much like a Pokeball. It's not gonna happen. It's probably like you could have problem if you become something as big as Pal World, maybe, but like, yeah. At that point, you probably have the money to get settled anyway, so it's fine. It's fine. Well, it's not necessarily fine, but it's, yeah. If there's a cost or not, it doesn't matter if it's only distribution. You make Pokemon for yourself and don't share it with anywhere, or you find, yeah, probably. If you put it that way, it makes Pokemon sound like an animal abuse simulator. Is it not? Is it not? If we're being honest with ourselves, I love Pokemon, but it's animal fighter simulator. Palworld lawsuit was more because Sony was backing them with the plan to make Palworld be a competing franchise, by the way. Yeah, like this is difficult case to defend for Nintendo because like technically they're not using any kind of intellectual property and things, but they're probably arguing over like very small details, and it's extremely difficult for them to defend. So like they're not gonna do it except if they have like a very big interest in doing it. And I think I heard also that, yeah, you might be right, Faz, that their interest was mostly like a war with Sony, and it's, yeah. There's also friends who was like, yeah, Nintendo isn't selling a lot of games. It's okay it's okay to pirate their shit. Oh, I don't know about this. A lot of countries don't believe in software pirate. I'm pretty sure pirating games is illegal in France. I don't know, probably. I'm pretty sure it's not allowed. It doesn't mean that people don't do it, but I'm pretty sure it's not allowed. Monster Hunter is definitely an animal abuse simulator. True. I'm now imagining my late hamster, may she rest in peace, in her sphere battling out against other hamster. Exactly. Poor hamster on your pat. Have you heard of Gary Bowser? I don't know what this is, no. Gary? Like, is it safe to... Wait. Gary Bowser. I'm just checking out... Oh! Let's go, we can... It's completely safe, no problem. Gonna read an article. Gary Bowser is safe? Okay. The man who owes Nintendo $4 million. Gary Bowser in the gaming's most infamous piracy case. The hacker whose involvement with anti-piracy software ended in a jail sentence and has emerged from prison struggling to make rent as he starts paying his fine. It could be worse, he says. What the? In April 2023, a 54-year-old programmer named Gary Bowser was released from prison, having served 14 months of a 40-month sentence. Good behavior reduced his time behind bar, but now his option is limited. For a while, he was crashing on a friend's couch in Toronto, the weekly physical therapy section, which he needs to ease chronic pain, were costing hundreds of dollars a week. And he didn't have a job, oh no. And soon he would need to start sending checks to Nintendo. Bowser owes the maker of Super Mario 40 million. What the? 14, not 40. 14 million. And he's probably going to spend the rest of his life paying it back. RIP. But how did it happen? No. Counter-Strike. Blah, 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 blah. There's many things, but I want to know. Made contact with the Team Executor, a group that produced dongle to bypass anti-piracy measure on the Switch. Ah. Oh, I see. It's like making things to be able to dump the ROMs of games, I think. So like wait, are the people that made the R4 on the DS in prison? Do they risk prison? Like, like if they are not illegally distributing them, is it illegal? Or is it just like bypassing the copy protection is illegal and there was nothing like this on the R4? Generally speaking, yes. Oh, I see. That's RIP. That is RIP. But yeah. Yep. That's pretty RIP. So he didn't directly crack games or write software for that French guy. He was doing that. Nintendo sued the French guy, lost because the French court agreed that it was too hard to get the game, and it was legally okay to make small chips for piracy because it's your own hardware. I kind of agree. Like you buy the it should be illegal, of course, to distribute ROMs of pirated games. That is fully. I understand that argument fully, but like modifying your hardware, it should be allowed, I think. Nintendo sued him for lost revenue, lost because the French court went too hard. It's too hard to acquire a game. I see. He was involved with a French hacker hardware company that was hacker hardware company that was selling hardware that fell on the wrong side of the piracy line. He was just a customer service guy. Oh no. French court was very based on the hardware things. Yeah. French court, when it's legal to, if there is no legal way to acquire the games. That's a wide thing to say, I think. Like legally. I understand the game preservation argument of like not losing the game history, but also it means that imagine you're a game developer and you decide that you don't want to distribute your game anymore for whatever reason. For example, like you made a game and in it you express an opinion on something, and then your opinion changed and you want to remove the game because you don't want to endorse this opinion anymore. So since the game was removed from selling, people can pirate it, yes, and distribute it for free. I think it's a pretty bad take. I would think it's I don't really like this one. Like I understand the argument that we are losing a bunch of games, but like still it's like developers' rights are still kind of important. That sounds like a niche case, but like if you made the game and you have the intellectual property, like imagine for books, like it would mean that if you are not publishing your books yourself, then anyone can do it. It's kind of I don't know. I am not sure I would agree with that. It's I don't know. Like you're free like if you're making something, you should be free to choose the license under which you're doing it. I don't know. If the game's copyright is so old that it enters public domain, then you don't see the issue. Of course, like if it's public domain because it's outside of the copyright protection, of course it is. There is no question on it. But like during when you still have the copyright, you're not allowed to choose to not distribute it. It sounds kind of wild. Honestly though, old game console games should be free to download, like you can't get the hardware to play on it anymore. I am conflicted on this. Like, yeah, I agree. I agree on the sense that it's very dumb that we are losing so much games, and the only way to do it is to get the games back is illegally. But like, it should be the game publisher that continue to distribute the ROMs. Like it should not be in law that you cannot decide to stop distributing your game. It's kind of, I don't know. See you in 70 years after the developer's passing. Yep. That is how copyright works, I think. Books don't need extra hardware to be read. Even books that are no longer published can be found in the library or used copy that can be sold. Like, yes, and same for the games. Like, but that doesn't allow you to copy the content of a book that you don't have the copyright to and that is not into public domain, and sell it on not even sell it, but like just distribute it on the internet. Like, you should not legally, you are not allowed to do that. I don't know. I don't know. But like, I need to think a bit more on this one. Like, because there's two arguments that, yeah, hot topic. I agree. Like there's two arguments that have make both sense. It's like you have the argument of as a society we are losing software history, which is a very good argument, and that does make sense, and it's very bad. But like as like it feels like a it feels bad to not allow the developer to decide to not publish something if they don't want to publish it. Two sides are right, so we need a compromise that leaves them both disappointed. I think copyright is hard in general. Like I think that is going to be a problem with my game too, because like I want people to be able to play the game if they don't have money, but I also want to make money with it. Like, how do I do this? I still don't know. I still didn't choose. So like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this kind of issues is like a problem. Licenses, copyrights, and stuff. It's a problem in general for everyone. You keep it simple on your own life. If the game is still in the market, you do not steal from the developer. After all, it's their source of revenue. Yeah, of course. I guess we should provide public library with the hardware, so if you get an old copy of a game, you can play it. Yeah. You should provide public library with the hardware. Like, the hardware is not a problem. Like, there's is it a problem? Like, I'm more talking about the ROMs than the hardware. The hardware, like, you have a bunch of emulators and things compatible with the old console. I made one. This is legal. You have also like if you're saying yes, but it's not actual hardware and it's difficult and the Z80 is not produced anymore. Yes, but we have FPGA, so we can even make software hardware. So it's pretty cool. Like I don't think the hardware is a problem legally. It's more like the intellectual property of the ROMs. IMO proprietary software that's older than 5 years, even if there's a newer release of it, is fair game for any archival. Not releasing the code is unethical to start with. I think that's a pretty, like, you can defend it, but that's a pretty extreme take. Because like 5 years is pretty short, and it means that, for example, the people that made like a bunch of gamers, like for example, the people who made Portal would be in the public domain already for a while. like I don't know, is it like I think it's pretty fair to say that Portal is still like it, I don't know. 5 years is ages in software. Like Undertale would be in the public domain, but Toby Fox is still doing Toby Fox is still using Undertale to fund Deltarune, I think. Question mark? Like, I don't know. Once upon a time, you never said end the copyright? Then what did you say? Fair game for archival? what is the concrete difference? Thank you for the follow, non-wizard. Thank you. Once upon a time, we had something called demos. They contained only 1 or 2 levels of a full game. Yay. I don't know, people want the ROMs because they can't play it anywhere else. Yeah, but now there's like technically it could be solved because it's completely like you have the right to build your console with FPGAs, and there's a bunch of things. I know for the I know about the analog pockets, which I really want to get one. It seems very expensive, but it seems so cool. And this is using FPGA things. And this is basically a Game Boy, but not made by Nintendo, and it can play Game Boy games and a bunch of other console, and like kind of whatever you want because FPGA is programmable. Well, whatever you want that can be executed on a FPGA of the size and clock speed of yeah. I don't know if there's clock speed, but you get it. Like something that can be done on the thing. Is the archive publicly accessible? Is the piracy outsourced to an archival group? Archival equals software preservation? Stripping the DRM, reverse engineering the network protocol, implementing a third-party server. It makes sense. Like if we're talking about having like public organization making big backups of the games but not making them accessible until the copyright is expired, yes. I would agree with you. Sure. You can access software that is still under copyright on a publicly accessible archives site known as archive.org, also known as through the Wayback Machine. But archive.org has archive.org is very they have exception to copyright, but it's like extremely fragile. It's not in the law. Like in the law they have, well, it's in the law, but it's like something that needs to be renewed every year or something. And if it's not renewed, then they can they basically have to delete everything. So it could be a problem. Alternatively, have mandatory code escrow service. What would it mean? I'm not sure what you mean by code escrow. Code escrow. But this looks so good. I want to have this, but like I'm pretty sure it's like 250. Yeah, 200. No, wait. This is a dock. Oh no, it's analog 3D. What the? It's 220. But I'm gonna get this when I'm in France. I think it looks so good. It looks so good. Oh my god. And also I kind of want to try to program FPGAs at some point. It looks interesting. Primarily for software that is no longer supported or no longer on the market. I'm 100% for conservation, but it's open question who funds and operates the archival operation, which is of course ultimately public good. Yeah, it should be. I don't know, a public entity that is. I am 100% agreeing with this. If we do this, it should be public. Escrow, third party trusted to hold something. But like, what do you mean concretely by mandatory? Mandatory code escrow service, like people that third party trusted to hold something. Oh, so like the backups, like universities would have a backup of the games. Sure, that would make sense. Yeah, that is like, I think as long as it is not giving, like, as long as the developer, while it's under their copyright, has still the right to not distribute it and not have other people be entitled to distribute it, I think it's fine. And I think it even makes sense, because like when the copyright is expired, it should be accessible to everyone, I think. I don't know. For instance, many universities already carry old manuscript. Yeah, exactly. There's a bunch of like public archivals of a bunch of things, so it would make sense. It would make sense. But like, for example, imagine when before GPT-3 came out, I made a thing, a game that is about how LLMs are super cool. Before GPT-3 came out, I was fully super like, wow, GPT-2 is so cool. And then when ChatGPT and GPT-3 and things like this come out, people start to use it to like create a hype thing. I think I would remove. I think I would stop distributing it because I don't agree with the people that like, I don't agree with like people who would try to push it for ideological reason. Oh my god. Phonoflops, are you French speaking? Do you know that is not how you write chat, and it means something else? it does have an other meaning. It's fine. It's not an insult. It's more like it's crude. But it's completely fine. You're French? Oh, it sounds like how French people say ChatGPT. ChatGPT. That's true. ChatGPT. That is pretty true. Oh no. I did not in fact fart chat. It's fake news. Oh my god. So French is your third language. What are your, like, I would imagine English is in one of them. Exactly. I'm fully say-so, and farting is not part of the say-so-ness. That is factual. That is completely factual. Well, Luna, I think English has its things too. Like, how do you say, like, why is, like in French, if you wanted to say that you slept at a friend's place, you would say that you well, not really. Like, if you slept in the same bed as a friend without having anything weird happening, it does happen sometimes. Like not crash as a friend's place. Yeah, I don't know. Like, in this, if you're like, for example, if you're in a group of friends and you're like you rented a small place and there's only like, I don't know, double beds or something, and you're like who sleeps with who? Like in English it sounds so bad, but in French it's normal. I don't know. You bunk, like, if it's not a friend's house, but it's more like if it's not a friend's house, but it's like you rented, like you went on vacations with your friends, and the beds are double beds, and like you sleep in the same bed as one of your friends. Like I don't know. Yeah, exactly. Share bed. That is true. So that kind of works. That kind of works. But like, why is sleeping with someone? What does it have a lewd meaning? It's dumb. It's just sleeping. Like, it's kind of the same thing. Like tail in French. It's kind of like, it seems weird for English people, but like something seems weird for French people in English. The innuendo side, you couldn't say something. Getting your program to compile on the first attempt. I wouldn't say this, EBO, but some people do. But that sounds like I don't know. That is kind of not really the kind of language I would use. That sounds too crude for me, I think. But yeah. Whatever I am doing, I should redo it in PHP. True, I should vibe code in PHP. That is factual. Hello, Galaxy. Hello. Too crude. Because after certain activities you fall asleep. Is it always true? Can you not? I don't know. That voice context is all important. I can't say lick the tail in French. Yes. I mean, you can. You can definitely say it. It is. Words are possible to say. You can pronounce them, and the air will be vibrating and will be received in the ears of people around you, and they will understand. But you might have transmitted you might have transmitted a meaning that is different from the one in English, yes. It's difficult to close the ear holes? I don't get this one. You can say it, you can also say and people will treat you the same. I don't know. I saw a newscast about this little girl who was dealing with a bunch of milk cows that had gotten wet, so she... What? What is this? um, um, we got kind of far. Hello, false context. What did I just read? Indeed, what did I just read? It was her wording for using a blow dryer. Oh no, oh no. Rip. I mean, didn't you have? I'm pretty sure I had a bunch of like things like this when I was little, where I would use words incorrectly and just be like people are using this word. Surely I can use it in any context without even thinking about the meaning. Yes, of course. And then you say it and everybody laughs around. And they're like, Astatin is dumb. I'm pretty sure this is a common experience, isn't it? Yes. I don't know. That's how you learn language, I think. The hairdryer, yes. Dumb, indeed, dumb. True. Common vtuber mod behavior. True. Fuss your mod. You should give the example. you should be perfectly say so. Of course. That is now required. It is so common, there is a word for it. Malapropism? What is malapropism? I am not sure I'm following. We're telling a completely innocent story about a little girl telling a story. True. That is factual. What did I want to do? Stats? Having stats being in the same way controlled by the definition thingy? That is what I wanted to do. Of course. Plenty of languages borrowed Sichuan to, funny enough, mean hairdryer. Sichuan? What does it mean in French? Like, it doesn't mean hairdryer, I think. It is definitely formed in a way that is... I think it means prison. Like, it etymologically, it definitely means drying something, but I'm pretty sure I only heard it to mean prison. Malapropism is the incorrect use of a word in a place of a word with a similar sound, either unintentionally or for comedic effect, resulting in nonsensical, often humorous utterance. Yeah, that is pretty funny. Oh my god, false. Oh my god. Moulin Rouge. What the? Do you know what you just said? Not Moulin Rouge. I would imagine you wanted to say Moulin Rouge. But you should look up Malaprop. Mrs. Malaprop. Richard, what? I don't know what the rivals is. I don't know what this is. It's a song lyric from It's a song lyrics from a bunch of ladies being very friendly with people. Yes, yes. Yes, of course, very friendly. Parts of Canada, North African French, and borrowed into Greek, Bulgarian, and Persian. Oh, I see. It's an old play or a game you can play now, depending on the context. A game? I am lost. You were thinking of drawing racks for dishings, I'm guessing? But yeah, it's a semantic shift from what used to be a synonym for sèche-cheveux. Yeah. I mean, generally, I only heard of séchoir used as a metaphor. I don't know if it's a metaphor. Euphemism or not a euphemism. I guess a metaphor. Only used as a meaning for prison. Like, envoyer quelqu'un au séchoir, is send someone to prison, I think. 50 séchoirs is 5 years of prison. Something like this, I think. Example of her line, the pineapple of politeness. She's headstrong as an allegory on the banks of the... What? Alligators? I see. Prison cell is figuratively a room where a human can dry up like a raisin. Exactly. Makes sense. It makes sense. I should finish the stat things. That is factual. I should do the things. Malapropism are great. You love for all intensive purposes? Exactly. Like in French, there is a very, very famous a thing I'm systematically talking about when Kat is in my chat, which is a famous comedic series thingy, which is called Camelot, and it's full of these. It's like what was it? It was. I don't even remember, but there's like a character that is only saying a bunch of these misusing words and stuff, and it's pretty funny. The entire point is she often uses a large word without knowing the meaning of the word. Exactly. Intense porpoise. Yes. Porpoise. Of course. Okay, I should do the stat one. I want to have done this at least. Bum bum ba bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba da ba da bum bum. LD A Improvising yourself seems pretty fun. it's like you just go there. You improvise yourself. It's like, I don't know, it's like kind of like go with the flow. I would understand it like this. sounds like she needs to improvise her English language skills. It's kind of what I'm doing already. I'm improvising. Like, it's okay. It's okay. No dumb. Blow off modes dungeon. The dungeon. Where's the dungeon? Stat entry point. Yes. Stats entry point needs to be put in mem stat jump destination A, and same with high. Probably this. What am I doing? I am making a game that I will be testing in just very soon. So just wait for a few seconds, and you will see it. It will be magical. Astatin, wow, Astatin, custom boot ROM that I'm so proud of. Let's go. It works. It does work. Does it work if I remove minting? This? In theory, it should break like the display. Just don't let it affect you. People make mistakes all the time. Did you derp up on effects? I think it affects. I'm pretty sure you used it correctly, no? Is it not like this? I'm pretty sure it's correct. Because it affects you. I don't think you can say affect you. I think affect someone. Yes, affect someone sounds weird. If I used it correctly, I used the wrong one. Like, I'm pretty sure that is being affected has had an effect from, like, I'm pretty sure it's kind of this. Maybe? Question mark? No? I don't know. You upset that ASN still doesn't play along with Valgrind and vice versa? I do not understand your sentence. So, like, I don't know. Affect verb, effect nouns. Exactly. I mean, affecting. Can you say affecting? Effective. An affect is also something like as a noun, it's like emotions. I don't know. You can affect positive change on your neighborhood. or like you can have an effect of like it would mean have an effect which is positive in your neighborhood by having changes. Yeah. Overly complicated sentence. Let's go. Address sanitization doesn't play along with Valgrind. I heard of Valgrind. I know of people who use Valgrind to detect leaks, but I do not know what address sanitization is. I am completely unaware of this conversation. Yeah. I'm not unaware of the conversation. I am unaware of the things that are being talked about in the conversation. Yes. Address sanitization for C projects. You thought after these years you could leave it enabled while testing with Valgrind. You were wrong. Oh, I see. Valgrind? Valgrind is how you make the world need to regenerate all their SSH keys. It's very powerful software. Huh? I am too few context. Nope. Nope. I need the context. Astatin too young? Maybe. Probably. ASSM lang? Yes, of course. ASSM lang. It is assembly. It is, if this is what you you ask. This is what you're referencing. Blind trusted Valgrind. Oh no. Oh no. So wait, they were using an uninitialized buffer as a randomness thing? Astatin. Only right assembly, exactly. The assembly. You remember reading the Slashdot article about it the day it was posted? Yeah. I see. Makes sense. But like, it doesn't seem... Using an uninitialized buffer as a way to have randomness seems bad. Do I have to worry about memory alignment in GBASM? No. Because, like, basically I can just, like, since it's 8-bit, there is no issue that you could have in like ARM, for example, when you have to have your instruction aligned to to 32 or 64 bits or something like this. Now, you could have memory alignment thingies, but like it's only when I decide to have it because it would be easier to work with pointers, basically. But like, yeah. How much RAM do you have to play with? I don't even remember, oh my god. 8 kilobytes of working RAM. And apparently I could also add 8 kilobytes of external RAM, but I'm probably not gonna do it. I don't think I need it. So now I have a stat that is modifiable easily. Constrained environment are healthy for creativity. I mean, I really don't need that much. Like, well, I did have the only time where I was like, I cannot do this thing because it would use too much RAM, is when I was doing the dungeon generation thingy. Basically, at the beginning, I just wanted to generate all the tiles as just actual tiles. That would take 8 bits for each tile. But I realized pretty quickly that it was using, like, if I were to do this, it would use basically all my RAM. So what I ended up doing is having the tiles stored as 1 bit per tile, and the tile is just if the thing is solid or not. And if I want to use it would only be for generated things, because like if I want to use tiles that are stored, tile map that are stored in the ROM, is still something that I can do. It would just be for the generation. That's one thing you always liked about system with cards, the ability to add the hardware to the system for the cards and map it to cartridge. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Technically, you could put an entire CPU on the cartridge and have it run Doom, and then just use the CPU of the Game Boy to copy bytes. Well, it would still be a technical challenge to have it run as fast as possible, but it's technically possible. You could do this. Also, like, VRAM is kind of well, you could probably change it during each blink. Would be hard, but it's probably doable. Someone set up a Raspberry Pi connected to a SNES card port and used it to play a video. Yeah, exactly. You can do this. That's a thing you can do. That is possible. Like, basically, the limitation that is happening would be that transferring something from ROM to video RAM is pretty slow and cannot be done for all of the frame. So like you probably have to be very efficient, but I'm pretty sure it would be possible. Maybe? Like if everything is pre-computed, it's not a problem. Bum 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 bum. What did I want to do? I wanted to create a new mode. That would be dungeon generation. And it would include all of this. New dungeon. Entry points, call init demo quest event. Yeah, sure. And then here I would SPFF. Makes sense. Well, does it make sense? Well, new dungeon should be here, and it should change the mode. Like JP new dungeon. Oh no. Like here, it should change the mode and then do the computationally intensive stuff. Well, should it change the mode after having... Wait. It should change the mode right away, probably. And then wait for vblank. Oh, not necessary. Oh, I know. I know the things. The JP release of Castlevania 3 on the NES has a sound chip on it for some kick-ass tunes. Exactly. You can do a bunch of things. Loaded enemies indices, loaded special entity indexes. Bunny attacks. Sure. So like, wait. Basically, I think what is reasonable is to have like the first part is going to copy. Wait. Because I'm gonna have three. Wait. There is gonna be first copy or like write loading text, which is gonna be this dungeon, this floor, I don't know, yeah. And then while it's writing loading text, instead of halting, it could already start generating things, but it needs to have like vblank. During vblank it's writing loading text, and during stat it would be not during stat, but like when vblank ends, writing loading text, then wait for generation, then loading VRAM stuff. When vblank ends, when vblank interrupts, then it needs to save. Oh, we need to have two stacks. We need to have two stacks in that case. We need to have a context switch, basically. Because the thing that is going to be done in vblank will need to have its stack and its registers saved. And the thing that is doing out of vblank too. So I think it would be reasonable first to separate what can be done in vblank and what cannot. New dungeon, regular. So reload EP costs. What is reload EP costs? Current focused attack EP costs. Fair. Dungeon generation. Is dungeon generation is it happening? No, it's not. It's not loading the map. Well, tell Bright, hide its search indexer and pretend to be Googleable. What the? Today you learn. That is... I don't know. I am not trusting Brave. I think... I think... it's pretty... like, it seems like people trying to be like, yeah, we are privacy focused, and then doing like crypto stuff. So I'm like, you have to write to them to delist your website. Yeah, it's dumb. I am very skeptical of Brave, and I think, I don't know. So load map. Mode generation. Wait. Dungeon generation. So load map. Where is load map? Load tile, load map, load object. So this is going to be done at the end. Is it going to be done at the end? No, it needs to be done after. Like basically, I'm gonna need to set up a bunch of flags, and like before starting to load map, it's gonna check whether this flag is true or not or something. Yeah. So initialize object, initialize entity, reset animations. All of this. Clear OAM. I mean, is it the buffer? FE. Oh no, it's not the buffer, it's actual OEM. So needs to be done during vblank. Loading flag, dungeon mode, so it's here. Lag? What is my stream lagging? No? Okay. I'm starting to get tired, but like I kind of don't want to stop. Like I feel like I did not do anything visible. I said, oh, I see. Don't have to do anything visible, but it's kind of like I want to see my progress. I don't know. But it's probably fine because I'm kind of tired now. How do I debug my GB ASM project? Mostly by the classic console log. I'm kind of joking, but I added a debug instruction that is basically just like when it's executing, it's stamping the registers and things in my emulators, and when it's not enough, I use the Gameboy debugger. Coding stream hardly ever produce something visible, that's why our streams are a cheat. Yeah. I don't know. It's probably okay. When vblank interrupts, context switch. When stats out of vblank interrupts, context switch back to generation. I wrote a debugger. No, it's not mine. It's Gameboy. It's another emulator that I use sometimes. I use 3 different emulators on my for this game. I use the one I made. Mostly I used the one I made. And when I need to use a debugger, I use the Gameboy one. Or like, if I want to watch what is in VRAM, it's more convenient. And sometimes I also check with another one, which is called Gameboy, which is supposed to be extremely similar to how an actual hardware will react. So yeah. I'm just gonna include modes dungeon generation. No? Yeah. Al, are you still here? You are? Okay. Are you planning to start streaming, or are you too tired after work? Tomorrow? Okay. Then I'm gonna raid Neju probably. Wait, I'm gonna push, do a commit and push. But yeah. Wait, I want to check that it's working before I push. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, the beautiful boot run. So cool. Up. Yes, it's working. Separate modes v blank functions. Your 8xT x86 assembly professor worked at Zlog and they were designed the Z80. Wow, that was a fun treat to learn. That chip has been everywhere. It was in the Master System from Sega and the Mega Drive too. It was a very common one. Like technically, the Game Boy one is not exactly Z80. It's something in between the 8080, which is a thing before Z80, and the Z80. It's like SM83 thingy, but it's extremely close to Z80. Like there's not the magical instruction that can mem copy and do things like this. But there's yeah. Okay, I'm gonna raid. I'm gonna do the raiding. Thank you everyone for coming to this stream. It was pretty cool. I had fun. Even though I did not make anything visible, I still did make progress. And I'm gonna raid Meju. Let's go, we're gonna raid Meju. Oh, there's Foss! We could raid Foss! Oh my god, we could raid Foss. That is factual. I'm gonna raid Foss and that's... What the? A Foss stream? I'm gonna raid Foss. Okay. You're getting raided to Foss. Foss unleashed. Leash him back. Leash him back. Let's go. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye. Have fun time at Foss's stream. Oh, Japanese ad. Wow. Oh no. You get it. Sorry, I am currently raiding. So, bye raiders. Thank you for the raid. You are double raided. You get you're a pointer to a pointer. Let's go. Bye bye.